yummy and healthy baby Kai Lan with garlic. Let's start! Recently, I had dinner with my friends and they ordered this dish. It's very yummy and simple. So, a few days ago, I went to the supermarket. I want to eat this dish again and I went to the supermarket to look for it. I can't find it. So after searching high and low, it's actually at the fridge area instead of the dry vegetable area where I used to go. So I found it and today I will cook the dish. A very simple, it's very comforting and it's very simple. I like it garlicky, so I put more garlic. You don't have to put as much garlic. And instead of mincing it, I will just roughly chop. So I will still have the big chunk of garlic that is mellowed and cooked. So after I clean the vegetable, I will start chopping my garlic and then start the stir fry. Normally when I do my stir fry, I will prepare the sauce beforehand. But because for this dish, it's very simple, I don't need to put in a lot of ingredients. Only you can just eyeball it like 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a bit of salt, pepper, and a bit of sugar. Sugar is optional. If you don't want to put it, then it's okay. Normally, I do not use any sugar as well, but to have the balanced taste, a bit of sugar will be good. After that, put in the cornstarch solution. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and then pour it in. And stir fry a bit more. That's it, done. So that is how fast, simple, but very yummy. So let's start. So this is my baby Kai Lan with garlic. Very yummy, very easy and healthy. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye bye.